We call them. This party can get no better. Change to the clouds and bring you good weather. Everybody come together. Boys and girls and my wine find each other. This one gonna make you move real slow. Bubble down, don't make you run to your toe. This one don't cause no trouble. Run up the bass and turn up the treble. This one is gonna make you high. Like a good push gonna make you high. Thank you.
Thank you, Sarita. Further, we have an outstanding performance by Pallavi.
उससे दूर कहीं न जा बस यही कहीं रह जा मैं तेरी दीवानी रे अफसोस तुझे है क्या उससे दूर कहीं न जा बस यही कहीं रह जा मैं तेरी दीवानी रे अफसोस तुझे है क्या तेरी मेरी नहीं बन गई तू मेरा हो गया मैं तेरी हो गई
Thank you, Pallavi. Further, we have Navjeet with us with his amazing rap.
We are not able to hear him.
We are not able to hear him.
Navjeet, you're not audible, Navjeet.
So I guess till Navjeet, fix this. Let's just have Anu ma'am singing something for us. Rather not for us, rather for the seniors who are going. So Anu ma'am, please. If you can share, if you can sing 2 or 3 lines for them.
ये बंद करना.
ये तो चाहिए था.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, and this is especially for the going, the semester, the going students, and it was a beautiful journey, of course, and my favorite song for you guys.
बिल्कुल.
Huh?
बिल्कुल मैम बिल्कुल.
Okay. La 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 lee, la 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 la. La 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 lee, la 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 la. डूबा डूबा रहता हूँ आँखों में तेरी, दीवाना बन गया हूँ मैं चाहत में तेरी. डूबा डूबा रहता हूँ आँखों में तेरी, दीवाना बन गया हूँ मैं चाहत में तेरी. अब दिन गुजरते नहीं, रातें कटती नहीं, तेरी तस्वीर से बातें बनती नहीं. ओ आजा. Thank you and hello Afreen ma'am. Really, I'm really missing you. After
I'm missing you. I'm missing these songs now.
Such a long time I've seen you.
Same here.
Welcome to this
Hi,
farewell.
Sanskriti.
Say, Sanskriti, hi.
I don't know if she remembers.
You remember Afreen Masi? You say yes?
Yes.
Okay, thank you guys, thank you, and amazing. All the best for you. You should have an amazing future. And one thing, what I would, really want you guys that please be honest for your career to this profession, and please help if you can to the poor people and anyone. So this is just this is what I want to tell you. Thank you guys.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. This was really mesmerizing.
Thank you.
Yeah. So, is Navjeet able to fix the connection issues?
I guess something major has happened. He is not able to fix it. So I guess now
Navjeet is entering now. I've admitted him.
Till then,
I've admitted him.
okay, sir.
Yeah.
Till then, we can have a very short rapid fire, which has been prepared by Shruti, right?
Okay, no issue.
You can ask your seniors few questions, and they have to be very honest answering them.
So, here everyone will be asked 2 questions, and you will be given 5 seconds each to answer each question. So, let's start with Palak ma'am. So, Palak ma'am, your first question is: who is your favorite junior and why?
Among BLLB or LLP, just please tell me.
They all are your juniors.
My favorite junior is Pranay. I'll tell you why. I have a reason for it. Actually, he gave me a surprise. He's with me right now. And it was a total surprise to me. I don't know how he came to my home. And he just gave me a big surprise here. And he's here with me. Pranay, come and join me. Come.
Okay, can we ask the second question, Shruti?
Yeah. Second one is: what compliment people give you the most?
I have the most smiling face and on my smile, basically. But I have
Thank-
beautiful.
Okay, thank you, Palak.
Thank you. So next, I'd like to go with Himanshu sir. So your first question is: last lie you told someone.
कि मैं कहीं बाहर हूँ.
And
This is also, I guess, the most common lie. Last also common also.
हाँ, अभी आधा घंटा पहले कह के हटा किसी को.
The question could have been much trickier for him anyways. He's a good lawyer. He would have dodged that also. Right. Shruti, second question for Himanshu, please.
if you were invisible, where would you like to go?
लद्दाख.
You're much needed. Don't go
वहाँ
Ladakh.
जाके तो वैसे ही इनविजिबल हो जाएगा. वहाँ जाने के लिए इनविजिबल क्यों होना?
Okay, I guess
Okay.
if we have Navjeet joined in and everything is fixed, sir, can we ask Navjeet to please?
So Navjeet, you can try with your music first. अगर music सुन रहा होगा, then only you start.
आई
Yes,
थिंक
you
उसकी जो एप्लीकेशन है उसके परमिशन के साथ कोई इशू है. परमिशन नहीं होगी माइक्रोफोन की, तब हो रहा है.
See, Himanshu, that's why we gave you a title of Bossy Pants. This is the only reason we gave you Bossy Pants, right? Sir, I guess there is still an issue with Navjeet. Shruti,
Okay, you can continue.
can we just continue with the rapid fire with the left?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So next question is for Yash sir. So sir, your question is: most embarrassing thing happened to you in class.
In
Class. Embarrassing thing.
स्कूल में तो नहीं हुआ था, +2 में हुआ था. एक बार ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया था जो सेकंड क्लास का बच्चा भी आंसर दे सकता था.
That was
So
a
you were
bad
not
thing that you
able
were
to
not
answer
able
that.
to answer it.
आई थिंक यस तो स्टाफ रूम भूल गया.
क्लासरूम में पूछा ना.
नहीं
Okay.
क्लासरूम में नहीं.
Okay, sir. Your second question is: what is something you wanted to do on your first date but couldn't?
First date. Lip kiss.
Oh,
Oh,
we asked you to be honest. You are too much honest. Okay.
Yeah.
Who's next? Who's
Yeah.
next?
next is Zahur, sir.
Okay, yeah.
So, sir, describe yourself in 3 words.
I guess again we have some issues with there also. We are not. He's not audible, right?
Okay, so we can proceed further with
उन्होंने
Akash.
लिखा है कुछ, उन्होंने
Okay.
लिखा है कुछ, वो
If
शो
you
कर
if
रहे
you
हैं
can
वीडियो
if you can read out.
पे. मैम आई थिंक आई कैन नॉट, बट यू नीड टू पिन हिज वीडियो स्पॉटलाइट.
Nandan sir.
Then also the audio won't be.
हाँ, ऑडियो वोंट बी, बट अगर हम देख सकें तो.
You can share. Durji, you can share your paper. You can show us it on the screen. Chalo, no issues, no issues, no issues.
Change नहीं हो रहा है sir.
Yes, you can proceed.
उन्होंने खुद के लिए
Urdu.
इसके लिए तो Google
Only
Translate
I can read if it is in Hindi.
अमर
It
सर
is in
इज
English.
ना Google Translator देखना पड़ेगा इसके लिए तो हमें पढ़ के।
गुड इवनिंग सर.
नमस्कार नमस्कार।
Yes, so I think that's it. That's all we have, and I think you people would have enjoyed it. Sorry and apologies for the technical glitch that everyone has had. We had a very good rap for you from Navjeet, but again, technology ditched us. So apologies.
Am I there?
Yes,
Yes,
sir. Now
sir.
you are.
Yes, sir. Please
Thank
go
you.
ahead.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Okay, thank you. So the captain of Group of Law of Shurani University, Dr. Nandan, respectable teachers, I am very pleased to see Afreen ma'am. Actually, I was giving you people a surprise over here while writing something about Afreen ma'am, but I am thankful to you, sir. You are more aware than me that you have invited her here. Very good evening, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Hello, sir.
Very good evening to all of you. I will not call you juniors, our coming liars. So my pleasure to see you all. Actually, fortunately, my son came over here and he just facilitated me just to talk with you. I have just written 2 lines, one for the honorable my respectable faculty and one for my companions. So let me translate it first. I have used the word Yal. Yal is known as wrestler, a strong man, tall and strong man. That is Yal in Urdu and Hindi even. And one is Sazinde. Sazinde is the music players. And then Afreen, God knows you know the meaning of Afreen. Afreen is praise. So I have written this कि नंदन है नंदलाल शूलिनी माँ तेरे. Shulini University is mother for me and you as well. नंदन है नंदलाल शूलिनी माँ तेरे, तो चंद्र जैसे याल शूलिनी माँ तेरे, अनु और ईशा तेरे साजिंदे, मोनिका सुरताल शूलिनी माँ तेरे, आफरी तुझको आफरी ए माता, आफरी तुझको आफरी ए माता, लगे रहे पंडाल शूलनी माँ तेरे. Now I am very thankful to all of you on behalf of my all friends. Here are those 6 my companions on behalf of whom I am talking to you. So I have written here. Here is a word Zuhur, my name. My name's meaning in Arabic is appearance, to appear or to come into existence. Himanshu is tear of crescent or moon. Rest you know that what is the meaning of Akash, Palak, and Yash and all those. Unfortunately, Mega is, I am not getting Mega over here. So see sir, I have written that Akash में ज़हूर विदाई घटा का है. It has appeared. आकाश में ज़हूर, ये जो विदाई घटा है, दैट हैज अपीयर्ड इन आकाश। आकाश में ज़हूर विदाई घटा का है, टकराई आके शूलनी माता की पलक से। आकाश में ज़हूर विदाई घटा का है, टकराई आके शूलनी माता की पलक से। विक्रांत पे चंदा ने गिराए हिमांशु, विक्रांत पे चंदा ने गिराए हिमांशु। मेघा बरसे यश तेरी आंखों की छलक से, मेघा बरसे यश तेरी आंखों की छलक से।
Amazing.
Try to accommodate all of you, and thank you very much, sir. Thank you, everybody, our these young guys, our juniors who have facilitated such felicitate us in such a beautiful way. I am fortunate. I am very, you can say, I feel myself very proud that मैं तो बिल्कुल रह जाता अगर मैं आपको ये नहीं सुनाता। ठीक है जी, तो मैंने ये सारा कोशिश करके
हम बिल्कुल रह जाते अगर हम ये ना सुनते। Thank you so much.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
I think one thing that I've promised everyone who was in this organizing thing, that I will not cry, but because I'm very bad in saying bye. But the thing is that after hearing what you have said, it actually brought tears in my eyes. And thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. You have made me learn a lot of things.
Would you believe, ma'am, I have just searched your name as well. But interestingly, your name meaning in this perhaps French or German language is very well. That is unique. And it meaning.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. And by
I
name.
just try to accommodate within few lines to all of you, and particularly my respectable ma'am, Afreen ma'am. I am very pleased to see you, ma'am. God bless you all. Thank you very much. Nandan sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
All the best for you all.
So I don't think that after Zahoor sir said anything is left, but it is a ritual. Like if we don't do this, I don't think any farewell can get completed. So the ritual is that announcing Miss Farewell and Mr. Farewell. So though I had this witty idea of making you people do ramp walk, but sorry, I can't do that. I was not allowed by Nandan Sen to do that. So I'll just on the basis, I don't know, I don't have any basis for it, but I'll say that every one of you, as sir said, we actually had 7 stars, and you will be 7 stars. 4 सितारे हर जगह लगते हैं, हमारे पास आते हैं. So yes, we love you all, each one of you, with your unique qualities, and you have actually made me a better person, a better teacher, because I think I have learned a lot from all of you all. So as the ritual is, so I formally am announcing to the Mr. Farewell goes to Himanshu.
Monica ma'am, okay, chalo.
Okay, goes to Himanshu.
Poonam ma'am is also with us now.
Okay, hello ma'am.
Yes, yes.
I think
welcome ma'am, welcome. Just a second.
Yes, sir.
Good evening ma'am, Poonam ma'am.
Good evening ma'am.
Welcome, welcome ma'am. Thank you so much for joining ma'am.
We just finished with our meeting 5 minutes.
Okay ma'am.
So we were just about to announce the results ma'am for the Mr. and Miss School of Law.
Oh, wonderful. Okay.
Yes, yes. Just I stopped Monica ma'am. Just let ma'am join us. So now you can proceed ma'am, Monica.
Okay, thank you sir, and welcome ma'am. So as I was saying that as a ritual it is, so Mr. Farewell is none other than Himanshu Sharma for all the things that he had done for the School of Law, right? So and Miss Farewell will be Palak Sharma, right? She will be there. Though she will be there with us, but yeah, she's been amazing. And I would like to mention one person, as I said. You know, we know these two be the faces of Soul, but there is one person who is always behind and being a biggest helping hand for all of us all, and that is none other than our Yash Rajput. So yeah, that's it. So that's it from my side. I'll just wind up saying it that I actually love you all, and again learned a lot from you all. Thank you so much. Thank you. And now I will like Nandan sir to say a few words. Thank you so much.
So before winding up, I guess Poonam ma'am also, because she has been very close to this batch, especially to some students. If ma'am is with us still, Poonam ma'am.
Yes.
So ma'am, I guess Himanshu, Palak, these are the students who spent 6 years of their life with us in Shulini. So
Yes.
giving 6 years of life is a very, very big time, most precious time. And they have worked with you also in sprints as buddies and whatnot, and recently with some videos also. So I would like you to please bless them, ma'am.
So, yes, I know Palak and Himanshu, of course, they've been with us for a really long time, and I've seen them blossom in, from gawky teenagers to kids with so much of confidence that it's so amazing. In fact, when we were making the videos for the admission, and I sent Palak's video, I was told by the team that why can't we have more Palaks, because she was so good and spontaneous. So I wish you all good luck, everyone, and congratulations for winning the contest that you arrived just on time to see the prizes being given. So congratulations, everyone, and
Thank you, ma'am.
good luck. I really wish we had been there in person to say bye-bye, but what to do? COVID ne sab upar niche kar diya, but never mind. And thank you, Nandan, and thank you, School of Law, for taking this initiative. Wonderful.
Thank you so much. Okay, thank you so much for joining, ma'am. So I guess Navjeet was not able to perform. Navjeet, are you still there, or would you like to? I don't think now Navjeet, we have Navjeet with us. No?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Chalo, anyhow, Navjeet's rap are available on YouTube also, I guess, and they have been widely shared and circulated and enjoyed by all of us. But yes, we would have heard him live also today. But yes, you can all join him on YouTube. So finally, I think we are coming towards end of this farewell. Although time has gone way beyond from, I think 5:45 रखा था, तो 6:25, and I don't think इसको हम 7 या 8 बजे तक भी बंद ना करें तो शायद अब ये चलती रहे, right? As happens in नॉन वर्चुअल और एक्चुअल फेयरवेल, वहां भी ऐसे ही होता है कि टाइम अगर 6 बजे का होता है तो 8 बजे खत्म होती है शायद, ठीक है? तो अब वो तो नहीं कर सकते कि अपना अपना जैम सेशन सारे कर लें कि अपने अपने वहां पे नाचते रहें इस वक्त सारे. But yes, one of the, as I told initially also, one of the finest phases of my life, because I have been working in many universities prior to Shulini also. I've been working with LR or IEC or Agrasen or few other groups. The difference was that we were given everything here in our own hand, right? That we were given that you blossom as you want to, जो आप करना चाहते हैं, जिस स्टाइल में करना चाहते हैं. So there are no barriers as such in Shulini. So that's what helped us, me and also the students and my co-faculty, जिसने start किया था from 2017. Of course, Anu ma'am, Chandar sir and Afreen, along with Rajinder sir. Endless support and blessings we have from him also, from Badog right now, right? अभी भी उनका दिल आप 7 बच्चों के लिए जरूर बहुत तेजी से धड़कता है. He loves you like anything. Whenever we talk, he discusses about you guys, right? And still he is with you and he'll always be with you. So ऐसा environment मिला Shulini में that we all flourished. It was a new experience for me also. इससे पहले कभी moods नहीं कराए थे मैंने भी, ठीक है? It was actually my first mood also. I learned it from Afreen, I guess, right? Because Afreen had some of the experience from Jindal, but I sincerely did not had any such experience. But that was just pedal, and then we never looked back. And उसके बाद तो endless events हैं, and all were from your support, right? And each one of you, not specially thanking Himanshu or Palak, but yes, many of these, many of your colleagues जिनको titles की जरूरत ही नहीं, obviously Yash, Vikrant, Akash, Megha, right? You guys don't need any titles. He said you all are stars, right? You are brilliant in your jobs, in your work. मतलब इतने perfect थे आप लोग. तो एक बार बात हो जाती थी, इट वाज जस्ट इम्प्लीमेंटेड, राइट? सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर गिविंग ऑल दिस एज अ फैमिली, जो हमने साथ काम किया. यू ऑल्सो फ्लरिश्ड, राइट? एंड फॉर टेकिंग द स्कूल ऑफ लॉ इन शॉर्ट स्पैन ऑफ 3 years. Yes, truly we are amongst, rubbing our shoulders, amongst the best, in fact, in Himachal, Punjab, Haryana, no doubt. Yes, in fact, if we leave Delhi NCR, इस रीजन में मैं कहीं भी ऐसी एक्टिविटी स्टूडेंट्स के लिए नहीं देखता हूँ अभी तक भी, राइट? सो दिस वाज, एंड वेरी टफ टाइम्स आर गोइंग. ठीक है, आप भी अभी बहुत कंफ्यूजन में हैं फॉर योर फ्यूचर, whether to go for jobs, LLM, corporates, whatever. But at this stage यही कहूँगा कि keep on discussing. Your teachers are there with us. आप देख सकते हैं इस वक्त टीचर्स कितने obliged हैं आपको हेल्प करने के लिए. So you can take their vision, experience anytime, telephonically, through mails, through any. Your vice chancellor gave a mesmerizing 30-minute speech. Atul sir was there. Poona ma'am is here, so you can see how just for a small group of you 7 guys, the top functionaries of university are giving their valuable time. So reach out to them. Don't feel hesitated कि हमको कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है, क्या करें, कैसे करें. ठीक है, because you all will always remain special. Though all other 70 odd students are special now, they are all part of the family. But yes, first ones are always the first ones. ठीक है, आप सबसे पहले हो. So reach out to people. Don't be hesitated कि कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है, एनी टाइम. ठीक है, एंड Shulini obviously open for you 24/7. ठीक है, एंड थैंक यू सो मच. It has been a successful farewell, I guess. ठीक है, without much technical flaws also we were able to manage it. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, I guess. और मेरा ही सबसे पहले तो नेटवर्क नहीं टूटा एक भी बार पिछले 1.5 घंटे में, तो थैंक गॉड. ठीक है, तो आई थॉट कि ऐसा ना होस्ट ही बीच में से उठता रहे और कुछ सब कुछ इधर उधर होता रहे. तो इट हैज गॉन, एवरीथिंग हैज गॉन परफेक्ट, राइट? सो आई कैन सी. एंड जहूर सर, योर पोएम, योर विजन, योर डॉक्यूमेंट दैट यू पुट, राइट? आपने जो पिछले 3 साल में नहीं कर दिखाया वो 3 मिनट में कर दिया. ठीक है, तो अगर आपने 3 साल में किया होता तो पता नहीं आपको हम कैसे, आपको तब हमने छोड़ना नहीं था. रोज शायद ऐसी पंक्तियां लिखी जाती. इट वाज रियली, सो आई वुड like you to please write it in Hindi also and share it with us. It's very, very beautiful piece of poem. कभी भी नहीं सुनी ऐसी किसी से आज तक. Okay, so thank you so much for joining. Right, so I guess if all is over, we can wind up. और कोई last dance? Obviously ईशा मैम, ठीक है, वो छुप रहे हैं अभी भी, क्योंकि वो काफी छुपते हैं मुझे लगता है. तो yes, ईशा मैम आपको भी बचने नहीं देंगे. So with some heavy heart I have to tell that she'll also be on sabbatical leave for few months. ठीक है, अभी तो 6 months के लिए बोल सकता हूँ. That this semester she will not be with our students, right? So that's why, that was the reason that सोचा हम साथ के साथ एक 8वें सितारे को भी बुला लें, तो इनको भी साथ में थोड़ी सी, चाहे 6 महीने के लिए सही, तो फेयरवेल जरूर दें. So I would like to hear you, ma'am, Isha ma'am.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much, sir. I won't take much of your time. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. It's been an amazing journey. Past 1 year has been amazing. Thank you so much. And I have learned so much. I just want to thank Nandan sir, Chandar sir, Monica ma'am, Anu ma'am, Anita ma'am, Ankita ma'am, everyone. Thank you so much. And जो हमारा बैच जा रहा है उनके लिए, just believe in yourself. Believe in all that you have, and just be good to everyone. And मैं थोड़ा सा इमोशनल हो रही हूँ, although मैंने आप लोगों को कभी पढ़ाया नहीं है, but still थोड़ा सा मोनिका मैम जैसे कह रहे थे कि वो इमोशनल हो रहे, थोड़ा सा मुझे लग रहा है मैम ने मुझ पे भी पास कर दी है वो चीज, थोड़ा सा पास ऑन हो गया मुझ पे भी. बट मैं बहुत मिस करने वाली हूँ आप सबको. यस, आई एम ऑन सबैटिकल. लेट्स सी जब वापस मिलेंगे हम लोग. एंड जस्ट believe in yourself and be optimistic in whatever you are doing. Just be very optimistic. कभी निराश नहीं होना है. You can reach out to us. आप मुझसे बात कर सकते हो. मोनिका मैम, अनु मैम, चंद्र सर, सब लोग आपके साथ हैं, नंदन सर. Just all the very best for your bright future. All the very best, and may God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you ईशा मैम. आप भी PhD as soon as possible खत्म करके वापस आओ.
Sir, I'll try my best.
Yes, you have to.
Yes.
Because we want you here back, right?
Sure,
so
sir.
I would also request Amar Rao sir, आप भी चेहरा दिखा दो यार, कब से वेट कर रही है पलक, देखो कब से वेट कर रही है आपको देखने को.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I don't want to steal the title of Mr. Himanshu.
Any last thoughts for Amar Rao sir for our this batch?
Let me congratulate you. I think in North India, or I will say in the entire India, this is the first virtual farewell, right? Organized very successfully by you, because I track a lot of universities and their social media channels. It has not happened yet. And the thing is that basically I taught Himanshu and Palak since a long time. University ko, in dono ko. And wish you all the best. Because learned from my father, there are three people with whom you cannot debate: the doctor, the police, and the advocate. So wish you all the best.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you Amar Rao sir. So thank you Afreen ma'am also once again. Hope you enjoyed, right? So you also, ma'am, just messaged me on I guess on Saturday, or Friday or Saturday, that I would like to just talk to the students or message them. So I told her that I am some ideas for a virtual farewell also. So she was very happy and keen to join, right?
Yes, yes. First of all, thank you again, Nandan sir, for giving me this opportunity to get back to the students. And good evening, Poonam ma'am, and hello, Amar sir. Nice to see you and hear your voices after so long. I would just like to quickly wrap up by saying that my journey also started with y'all. So for me, this is like a big milestone that the students are now finally graduating and they're becoming lawyers. I just have to say that do your best, put in all your hard work. Law as a profession is a very noble profession, and you will be contributing back to the society in some way or the other. So my only wish is that I see you grow. I see you grow in this profession and in person as well. So all the best to you, and all the best to Shulni as well. I want to see more lawyers coming out from Shulni now. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Anu ma'am, any last thoughts?
All the best for you guys, and we will really miss you. And in fact, we also feel very proud that this is the first batch that you people are going and you're passing out. We also feel very proud because we were the few, Afreen ma'am, I, Nandan sir, Chandra sir, we were the few who, who were initially there. So our journey was also very amazing with you guys, and I'll really miss all those trips with you people, especially with Himanshu and Palak. We had such a great trips that we had, the conferences, the workshops that we, attended together, and obviously the Rishikesh and Haridwar. That was really really amazing trip. And all the very best for you. And as Afreen ma'am said, we will be really happy to see you all, grow in person and in profession both. And please be, please, if you can, if it's in your power, then please help the poor, help anyone. So that is what I want to say. Thank you guys.
Sure, thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, each one of you. Thank you for the organizers, Monica ma'am, Anu ma'am, and the students, right? Aditi, Jyoti, and all the performers, Shruti. Thank you so much for putting this effort. So you're going to continue Zoom meetings, I guess, for the last 48 hours at least. Many hours have been spent on Zoom, sharing and everything, and improving the voice qualities and all, right? So कुछ एक का तो डाटा मीटिंग से पहले ही खत्म हो गया, सुबह अभी 3 बजे खत्म हो गया क्योंकि Zoom चल रहा था. So they had to do some special vouchers now to get this meeting on. So thank you so much. तो टेक्निकल के लिए अब किसी को हमें हायर करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि हिमांशु सारा करता था हमारा टेक्निकल एंड स्मार्ट वर्क. So now we won't be having Himanshu. So I guess we'll have to search for some new Himanshu now.
वाह अमर सर, टाइटल दे दिया जाए हमारा उनको। सर हमारे रहते तो शादी हुई नहीं, उम्मीद करते हैं अब हम निकले तो फिर आप शादी का न्योता हमें भेजें।
तो मोदी जी डिसाइड करेंगे हिमांशु।
So I would like just to thank Nandan sir for this, for every effort that he has
Yes.
taken. Right. I just remember that he called me up and said, I have an idea. And I was like, okay, sir, let's see. And after that, today is the day that we are doing it again. I feel very, Nandan sir was there when I was graduating. I hope, Nandan sir, you remember our farewell.
Exactly.
Right. So I feel so blessed that now I'm working with one of my gurus. It always makes me very special. It gives me a special feeling. So Nandan sir, thank you so much. And of course, everybody, the students, right? I know Jyoti, Aditi, uh, every one of them, Shruti, Jan, Pallavi, Navjeet, even though he couldn't made it today, but yes, he was there with me in the meetings at night at 11:30 or so. We are trying, okay, how will we do it? How will it happen? And then messaging Nandan sir, हो गया, कर लिया है, Nandan sir, okay, देखते हैं, करते हैं. तो अभी भी मुझे लगता है सुबह से हम 3 बार तो कर चुके हैं सर मीटिंग. Right? So thank you, Nandan sir. Thank you. I will take this opportunity and I will steal the stage for a second to say thank you to you from everybody in the Soul family. Thank you so much. So always being there, driving us to do something different. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay जी, so let's meet not virtually now. Hope so. जब भी खुलता है तो we'll meet soon, right? Maybe August, September, October. Don't get disheartened. मिलना तो है ही है, ऐसा नहीं है कि कभी मिलेंगे ही नहीं, right?
सर अब इमोशनल हो जाएंगे सारे, ऐसे ना बोलें प्लीज. I see you getting emotional now. नहीं ऐसी बात नहीं है. Definitely everyone will meet and have a party.
सितंबर में मिलना है, अभी हमने पार्टी लेनी है सर, वो ये तो सारी बात
वही कह रहा हूँ.
Yes sir.
मेरे ख्याल में ऐसा होना चाहिए सर, when the things will be normal, तो मुझे लगता है कि कहीं अगर आप न्योता देंगे इंशाल्लाह पहुंचेंगे लोग, ऐसी बात नहीं है ना. अभी हम नहीं है आपको, तो ऐसी बात नहीं है, मुझे लगता है कि होना चाहिए कभी. थैंक यू वेरी मच सर.
Okay जी, okay, thank you.